Okay, up next we have Hoover 305s by popular demand. This one is a 305 in drag. This was done by RJ Vanek, another vacuum collector, and these were actually auctioned off at the 2005 convention, VCCC convention in Los Angeles. It has a name tag with it too. Get that in there. How do you do? My name is Gisele. So, her name is Gisele. Now let's see how the old girl does. You can see it still has the headlight lens. Well, you can't really see it, but it's there. And let's get this in a direction where you can see it grooming. Has good bristle strips in it. And it runs pretty good. Carbons aren't completely seated, but it had been rebuilt when I got it for the auction. Completely serviced. Dropped her little hat there. And also in this video, well, they wanted to see the bag. Oops. Wanted to see the bag in operation here. Give you a good view of that fringy look to it. I did not unwind the cord because I did not want to take her necklace off. She's all dressed up. Next we have my Hoover 305 Special. Let me see if I can get that. This one also has its headlight lens. Even got the original, the Hoover Special bag in practically perfect condition. The only thing that is not original on this is the cord, which you can tell is a Kirby cord because it's a generic Kirby cord. It does not say Kirby, but they left this lovely little reminder on there. Now, the difference between this and the 28, this did not have the height adjustment, and this one has the straight. Well, no, so did the 28. Never mind. But basically, this did not have the side conversion tools or the height adjustment. The rear wheels are fixed. And this one actually here, this 305 Special, has the metal hood as opposed to the plastic hood on Gisele that says Hoover down the front. Now I'll let you hear this one just for the sake of I dug it out, why not? This one I have honestly not done anything to other than maybe replace the belt. So it could probably use some grease in the bearings, and it needs a new headlight bulb. But other than just that and some cleaning and putting a black cord on it, it is in very good shape. I found this in the thrift store and got it, I think, for about, what did I pay? $3-4 for it. So, these are my Hoover 305s.